Hello, we are learning Salesforce for beginners. Today we are going to learn validation rules. We have completed so many topics like what is Salesforce, what are objects and fields, what are page layouts and record types, what are relationships, and today we are going to learn what are validation rules. In our last video, we have completed what are formula fields. What are validation rules? Validation rules are used to ensure that the data entered into a system meets certain criteria or conditions. They are used to enforce data integrity and prevent user from entering invalid or incorrect data. Validation rules typically returns a true or false value if the condition specified in the validation rules evaluates to true, the data is considered valid. Otherwise, an error message is displayed and the data entry is prevented. We will learn some basic validation rules just like phone required an object and select employment type. In this video, we are going to learn validation rules and why we use them. Validation rules enforce data integrity by stopping user from saving record if a specific business logic isn't met. It means if condition don't meet the criteria, it shows error. If conditions don't met, we got the error message that we have to fill the correct data in our record. Now we will go first. I have chosen one object student. Now I will go on well and I have created some fields: phone, student email, student name, and we can apply validation rules on any of the fields. First, we will go on validation rules. Now on new. Now we here you can see in the student validation rule. Here we can make our validation rule. First we have to give one validation rule name. We will give here validate one name, validate phone. Now we will first we will understand one simple uh, validation rule in which if a phone number is blank, it will give us error that we have to enter our phone number before saving of record. First we will go on is blank. Is blank checks whether an expression is blank and returns true or false value. We will use insert selected function and is blank then expression. Now we have to insert one field here, which is our phone field. If phone number is blank, we will not provide any phone number, it will show us error. We will choose phone field. Is blank phone means we have to provide here. It shows no error found. Now we have to give one error message, which will be please provide phone number. This error message can either appear at the top of the page or below a specific field on the page. This error message can come at the top of the page or the field. We will choose the field. Now we will choose the option of our field where we want to show our error. We will choose phone field. Then save. As you can see here, student validation rule page. Here rule name, error condition, error message and description. If you want to give description, you can give. Now we can test our validation rule, whether it work or not. We will go on student object. मम्मी सुबह 3-4 बजे से नहीं चल रहा. Now go on new. नहीं 2-3 बार ट्राई कर ही नहीं हुआ. Now here you can watch in student record page. We are creating one new record. Student name, student email, date of birth, and the phone field is coming. Before saving, if we will not enter any phone number, it will give us error. First, we will give in student name, student 1 1. Now we will give any date of birth. Now if we will not provide any phone and save and try to save this record, if we try to save this record, here it is showing now please provide phone number. Now if we will provide any phone number, it will automatically save the record. In this way the validation rule works. Next, we will learn one more validation rule. In this validation rule, we have to choose one pick list value from pick list field, which is an employment type field, which I have created in object employee. Here in employee object, I have created 3 field: department, employment type, and phone, and department. And now we will go on in this employer object. We will create one validation rule. We will go on validation rule, then go on new. We can give it a name. Choose employment type validation rule. Now in this validation rule we will choose one formula which is we will choose one function is pick well. We will click on next, insert selected function, pick list field and text literal. First we have to choose one pick list field which we want to choose. We will choose employment type. नहीं. If we will not provide any employment type, it will show us error. And for this, we will choose this formula is pick well, employment type, comma. Here no error found. Uh, Now we have to write one error message. Choose one employment type. We have to show this error on our field. We will go on employment type, then save. Next we will go on more, then employee object. Here you want to create new you if you want to check, you can check by going to any record by updating that, or you can create new record before saving any record. Refresh. Now you can see here employment, employee name, department, phone and employment type is showing. Now we can create one record, employment 5. Then we will give it a department name, any name. Then if we will not provide any employment type, it will show us error. It is showing us error, choose one employment type. Now we have to choose one employment type. It can be anything. We will choose contract, then save. It will automatically save our record. If you want to check validation rule by updating record, you can go on any record. Now if we choose, if we won't choose any employment type and it will show error, choose one employment type. Now we have to choose one employment type, it can be anyone. Now we will save our record. If we will provide any employment type, we will save our record. Thank you. In this way, our validation rule work.